Children will study about the chemical bond in this session too. Whatever you came across in day-to-day life, maybe the food you eat, the air we breathe, or even the materials which you use, it is made up of this chemical bond. And today we will study about this, what are the different type of bond. Atoms are the substance which we see around are made up of one or two bond. It is due to the result of this chemical bond we see most of the substances around here. Today we will study about the two type of chemical bonds. The two type of chemical bonds are, the first one is ionic bond, and the second type of bonding is the covalent bond, that is mutual sharing of electron. We'll just discuss in detail about this. The bond in which result due to the complete transfer of valence electron between atoms of an ionic bond is called chemical bond. Once again, the bonding which result due to the complete transfer of valence electron between atoms is called ionic bond. That means the valence electron, between the atom there should be a transfer of electron. You just watch this, the clips. Between this, the chemical bond, the positively in this type of chemical bond there are oppositely charged. One is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. The first one lose the electron, that is from metal it lose the electron from the outermost shell, and the second one receive the outermost shell. That means both of them have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Both of them have achieved the noble gas electron configuration. This type of bonding is an ionic bond. We'll just take an example of this sodium. You can see here sodium 2, 8 and 1. In the outermost shell, that is in case shell, it have only 1 electron which is moving around here. On the other hand, this chlorine, it have 2, 8 and 7. That means the outermost shell have 7 electrons. To make it stable, it require 1 more. That means it have to receive 1 electron. From here, sodium atom donate 1 electron and it becomes 2, 8. It becomes stable now here. The outermost shell have complete, that means 8. And the chlorine atom which have 2, 8, 7, it receive 1 electron. From this, the chlorine, the outermost shell have 8 electron now. It becomes stable here. From here, by donating 1 electron from sodium and receiving from this by chlorine, both of them they become stable. That means the outermost become 8. And the second type of bonding is that a covalent bond, result from the sharing of electron between the two atoms of similar electronegative. We already learned in the ionic bond, that is it should be positive and negative. That means mostly it's from metals and non-metal. In this case, a covalent bond means it's the sharing between the two between the two atoms of similar electronegative. Here we can take an example of this chlorine. Chlorine, it have 2, 8, 7. We know that. the two chlorine, if you watch carefully here, the electronic configuration K cell 2, L cell 8 and M cell have 7 only. After this, if both the chlorine share the electron and it will be satisfied, they'll have both 8 8 and they share one pair of this electron, that is sharing one pair of electron. That is what we call covalent bond, and it have only one, it share only one pair because of that one line we can see it here. Thus a single covalent bond is formed. When one electron pair is shared, it is a single covalent bond. And a double bond is formed when two pairs of electrons are shared. Two lines shows in that they share two electron each, two electron pair each. This is a double covalent bond. For example, here carbon dioxide, it have two molecules of oxygen and double covalent bond once again when they share two pair of atom here. In a molecule, they share two pairs of atom, and these are double covalent bond, and it is denoted by two pair of line. In carbon dioxide, you can see that there are two double bond.